partners to Government of Odisha in bringing in a transformation program as Garima. Garima is supposed to work for sanitation workers, which are mostly liquid waste managers. They have to, unfortunately, clean our sewers and septic tanks. So the program is aimed to bring benefits to them. One, stop manual entry. Two, get machines to clean. People would monitor, supervise. So this is a very, very important step. The program started in 2020 with naming of Garima, and it has continued. A lot of benefits have come about. The biggest thing was enumeration, because unfortunately all these workers have been invisible. शहर साफ हो जाते हैं, the cities become clean, but who does it? How it is done is unfortunately not known to citizens. So these workers were one, invisible, to visualize them, enumerated them, got them validated from the municipal corporations or municipalities, and they've been given wages, enhanced wages. उनका time कम किया गया. Their housing and other insurances also are put in place. So basically, a full with digital inclusion, these workers have been enumerated. It is very important step for the liquid waste managers to be visualized and given these benefits. We congratulate the Government of Odisha and the Gates Foundation, who have supported Urban Management Center, where I belong, to come up with this program, and now it is for Pan India. So the workshop, this is the first in the cities by this government to bring national practitioners, city governments from a lot of states. Right now there are more than 11 states coming to Odisha and Bhubaneswar, and to understand what Garima did, and they need to replicate and do what Odisha did in their own states. So Odisha started the whole transformation. Garima is their program, which is now replicated in Tamil Nadu under SWDS, which is Sanitation Workers Development Scheme, and the same idea has been taken pan-national under the Namaste scheme. So nobody now will be, one, it is banned to do manual entry into sewer and septic tanks or drain cleaners, or work under pressure of any kind to clean sewers manually. We have to use machines, and that is the way forward.